and Trent is still down 7%. Mangalam?
Well, now from what we spoke about earlier to now, the only difference is that the company has officially updated the exchanges on the first quarter numbers. Yesterday, they said that it would be 20-ish% sort of growth in the first quarter in the annual general meeting to analysts, basis which the analysts came out with their notes. But now the number is on the exchanges. 20% is the exact revenue growth that the company has reported on a standalone basis, 5,061 crores. They've added one West Side store. They've added 11 Zudio stores in the first quarter. Remember, a large part of the Zudio store additions happened in the second half of the previous year. So the street believes that maybe, they will start catching up when it comes to same-store sales growth in the last part of this year as well as these stores anniversarize. But 35% is the CAGR that the company has reported over the last 5 years. 25% just a couple of weeks ago management said could be sustainable. And in that, a 20% growth is something that the street definitely did not like, especially after, a 30% rally from the lows on the stock itself. So on the back of which brokerages have cut their estimates basis the first quarter performance. FY26 revenue is being cut by 5% and FY27 by 6% by Nuvama. And as a result of which, they've cut their EBITDA estimates by about 9 to 12% too. And they've downgraded the stock from, buy to hold. And they've cut the target price from 6,600 rupees to 58.84, marginally above the current market price. But still, it's a hold.
And in this stock market or stock exchange update, they've not given any other reason. And I'm just trying to think if there could be an aberration, whether they have a lot of their stores. I'm not sure. I mean, for instance, in the western northern states because of the skirmish. I'm just, completely talking out of my hat, but just trying to figure whether this could be an aberration quarter or whether this is genuine
concern. If it was, the company would have given it, but the update is largely, pretty fact-based, and that's why we're seeing the, reaction. Had it been any reason that the company would have given, etc., maybe the stock would have seen a recovery from the lows, etc. But in any case, your FY26 estimates now stand downgraded, whatever be the reason.
Indeed, thank you very much for that.